So what we find that, let me tell you, answers, when people write answers, so you should maintain balance, as we told in our strategy session. Already we have told it that you have to maintain balance between concept, which we have to adequately explain, plus let's say that examples, then plus let's say at times we refer philosophy, and then we try to conclude this. So in theory section, those who can maintain, let's say, clarity, concept, first is called that adequateness, and second is called clarity. Adequateness and clarity. Examples, relative, means appropriate. Now you have to think that whether you have to give the same example and further related, or you have to give different examples. People, what they are doing, they are not giving the same example and relating the second part, other part. Rather, they are trying to also write different example, but all questions may not demand the same thing. And that's why let's say that your answer will lack coherence. Then are you referring the right philosophies? So this is again, let's say that right philosophy, which should obviously come. It should naturally come in your answer, rather than it appears that it is something artificial, deliberately it has been brought. And in entire our discussions, what we have referred, we have not referred more than 6, 7, let's say that philosophers. It can be Mandela, or it can be Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekananda, Buddha, let's say that. So even 4, 5, not more than that. It should not become deliberate, rather other subject matter, other examples can come. That is how you should see. Right philosophy, and then conclusions, of which whether you are, let's say that complete, conclusion makes a complete sense. This, then if questions demand that, then this we say as maintaining coherence. Coherence, plus if questions demand to take a stand, take clear stand. This, now you should be very precise in this concept. So there should be preciseness when you write. That is the crux of this paper. If you can master it, learn it throughout, let's say that means tests. When you give other 6 tests, do not try to repeat the same mistakes that you are doing once it has been identified in your answers. So don't try to, let's say, repeat them, try to improve in your next test. And that is what we'll finish here.
Welcome to LUKMAAN IAS. Study General Studies with LUKMAAN IAS for building comprehensive knowledge. GS paper 2 and 4 will be taken by S. Ansari, and other papers will be covered by renowned faculties. Live classes are as effective as offline classes. The classes are highly interactive in nature. Your doubts and queries will be addressed, and there will be dictation of notes. In the last 10 years, LUKMAAN IAS has set up a niche in the field of UPSC guidance.